Hello guys, and welcome back to Jordan vs. Life on the building side of life. Today we're making a bamboo spear. Alright guys, and the next thing, well actually the first thing you're going to need is something called bamboo to make a bamboo spear. Now if you don't have bamboo, yes oh well. Go grab a stick. Yeah, there we go. You see my citronella candle in the back? It's supposed to keep the mosquitoes away. It ain't worth a damn. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it off at an appropriate length that you want. Usually most people keep it like right to their head. So like a little bit above your head. You can't see me doing this, but that's fine. That's fine, I said. Let's continue. And once you have the appropriate length you want, just go ahead and cut it off. But for me, since I'm kind of bored, I'm just going to hit it with a hammer. We're going to see what happens. Kind of worked, kind of didn't. Kind of messed it up. But you know what? It's okay. We'll continue on. The second thing you want to do is take your knife, kill the mosquito that's biting you on your eye, and continue on. And you're going to want to basically do it like this. Cut in. Stay still. Stay still. Still, I said. Ah! Kicked you guys, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Basically, you're just going to want to tap the knife down into this to cut it. And then you're going to do the same on the exact other side. Alright guys, and once you have your damn it! 4 cuts, 2 on each side, or 1 on each side, you're going to take a stick and you're going to open these up like this and just push the stick down. Don't be too afraid of breaking the bamboo. Then you do it on the other side. Oops. If I could do it right. Alright guys, and then once you get to this point, you take some rope and you just wrap it up. So that's what I'm going to do. So guys, remember if you're using paracord to tie this up, please do be careful when burning it shut. Just got a nasty little burn on my finger. And once you're done with your paracord or whatever you're using to tie up, just trim these up a little bit so they're not in the way and then sharpen these up. Then once you're done, you should have something that looks like this. And now, go hunt your fish. I, on the other hand, don't have fish, so I'm going to be hunting boxes. Ooh, look at that, look at that. We caught a big one, guys. Damn. Another big one, guys. Can you believe that? What crazy luck. I don't know if you can see it or not, but on that last shot, knocked a nice little hole in this. That sucks. Now that you've caught your boxes, go ahead and roast them up nice and well. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget that like button. Also, if you want more content like this, I do upload weekly. Please hit the subscribe button. And if you have a comment about the... If you got a comment about the spear I made, or how my hunting skills are, you know they're up there. Go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section below. But without further ado, fucking skeeters. Without further ado, peace.